The ProGel technology was invented by Professor Besh Bandari at the University of Queensland, and what he did is he found a new mechanism, a new way to create tiny microgels or microbeads, which are based on alginate. Alginate comes from seaweed, so they're these tiny little microparticles that are only about 3% of the size of a millimetre, that can be used to encapsulate things like probiotics, omega-3s, drug compounds, anything that tastes unpleasant maybe, or things that are sensitive. So probiotics are very sensitive. They die very easily. The perky drink came about while we were trying to work out how do we take the ProGel technology into the marketplace. We knew that there was a significant opportunity in probiotics. We knew that around the world this $30 billion market was dominated by probiotic products that were based in milk. And a lot of people don't drink milk. And so we really knew that we could create a new product that was based on water and juice, so an acidic product. Now you can't add probiotics to most acidic products because the acid causes the probiotics to die. So working with Professor Besh Bandari and Dr. Lai Tran and Dr. Su-Hung Ching, we actually worked on how can we get these probiotics to survive in a product like Perky. So Perky was a product we developed. It's 15% apple juice, the rest of it is water and natural flavours and colours. We were able to develop this product that had an extended shelf life. So we were able to develop a product that had a 3-month shelf life, and not only keeping the probiotics alive in the product, which is quite unusual for a lot of probiotic products. A lot of the probiotic products in the marketplace, the probiotics die over shelf life. We can keep the probiotics alive. So 1 billion live probiotics alive for 3 months on the shelf. But more importantly, we can keep the probiotics alive in the stomach, which is very acidic. The acidic stomach is designed to kill organisms. So we can keep them alive through that acidic stomach using the tiny microgels, protecting the probiotics. And then when they get in the intestine, they actually release. And so what we knew is we had this transformational probiotic product, this transformational probiotic drink, that had been developed not only with the University of Queensland, but also with the ProGel technology and the investors that had supported ProGel. Well, I mean, the technology was invented in 2005, so that's 11 years ago. We came across it in 2006. It really then took us around 3 or 4 years to really work out exactly what the technology can do and where the main opportunity was. So around 2009, 2010, we presented the technology to the Brisbane Angels, a group of high net worth individuals who invest in startups, as well as Uniseed. So the Brisbane Angels and Uniseed both invested in the company, ProGel. I became CEO of ProGel, the company. And at that point, we just started the process of developing products, not necessarily just probiotics. So we started working on probiotics, omega-3s, drug compounds, really trying to work out what could the technology do. And over the next 2 or 3 years, we worked out that it could do a lot of different things. So the Perky product opportunity was so significant, we've spun it into a new company called Perky Proprietary Limited. Look, the technology is a platform technology, which means it can do lots of different things. Which in some senses makes it easy, in some senses it makes it hard. If you can do one thing, then you just got to focus on that one thing. The ProGel technology can do all sorts of things. So we can work with things that are unpleasant to taste. So a lot of drugs that pharmaceutical companies are trying to give to people, particularly orally, they taste really unpleasant. And so they have to add lots of sugar or lots of flavours, or they have to put them in a capsule. Now a lot of people can't take capsules, older people and young people. And so what we can do is we can encapsulate a drug, or something like fish oil, which is good for you, but it tastes terrible. So we can encapsulate things like that and put it into a product that you can then drink or eat without that unpleasant taste, knowing that active is then released in the intestine where it actually has that added benefit.